Hello everybody, this is Dr. Manish Kumar Singh and I welcome you all in the Digital Electronics Laboratory for second year BTech Electronics Engineering. The code for this electronics laboratory is EET 203. This course is being taught in the third semester of the BTech program. So today in today's topic I will demonstrate how you will perform as today is the first day, so I will basically focus over how you are going to perform the experiments which are enlisted in the experimental book of this course. Means we have to, yesterday I demonstrated that minimum 8 experiments you have to perform during the semester, and basically I will demonstrate here that how you will perform the experiment and how you will write the experiment over your experimental book, how you will take the readings, and throughout the semester who will going to assist you. So as you know your experimental copy over which you are going to write the procedure and everything is looking like of having two kind of pages. One will be blank page, which is on the left side of the copy. The page will be blank, and right is something lined copy. So as I have told, in this whole semester you have to perform total more than 8 experiments related to your course. So whatever the experiment you will go to perform here will be your objective. So you have to write in a way that first of all you have to write over the top of the copy that experiment number. Suppose this is 1 experiment number, and in experiment number suppose you are going to have the familiarization various gates and its verification of truth table over electronic kit. So as this experiment was demonstrated yesterday, so this was the experiment number 1. So this will be the objective of your experiment number 1. Then after you have to write the apparatus oblique component required. What kind of components and apparatus you are going to use to perform, to verify these experiments, you have to write everything here. Like you need breadboard. Actually we have the electronic kit over which the breadboard has been already assembled. So electronic testing kit is mandatory here. Second, various ICs associated to other gates. Gate ICs, like for a NAND gate IC you will require IC number 7400. Similarly for NOR 7402, and likewise as I have told yesterday that you have to use 7 ICs here. So these are all your component and apparatus. Apart from this, you will be a requirement of jumper wires to connect the circuitry, to connect the ICs with this electronic testing kit. So after this you have to write about the theory part. Theory means in theory part you have to write everything about the NAND and NOR, means universal gates, basic gates and special gates, how it works and what is its truth table. All theoretical part must be written in the theory. Then after theory, you have to perform the experiment over the electronic testing kit and verify all the truth table which you have mentioned there. And then this is the time when you utilize this blank page as the internal circuit diagram of each gate. Like for as I told you yesterday, that for suppose I am making IC 7400, it's basically for NAND. So its internal circuit diagram must be drawn over the blank page. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This 7th number pin is ground. This 14 number pin is VCC, power supplied or AC. Apart from this first two is the input for NAND gate, and we take the output from third. Similarly from here also 4, 5 will be input and 6 will be the output. So this is the internal circuit diagram of IC number 7400. In this way you have to prepare, you have to draw all the 7 ICs internal circuit diagram over the blank pages. Then after you will perform and verify the truth table, and while performing the experimentation, whatever procedure you have followed, you have to write in the next segment of your notes, that is procedure, and here you will write that how first you have connected the concerned IC over breadboard, then after you make the connection, and then after you verified, and finally whatever you have to do, you have done, you have to write here in the procedure section, and then final result. The truth table is verified, then you have to mention here that truth table has been verified successfully and checked by the concerned examiners or the concerned teacher. And then precautions is mandatory. What precaution you have to taken care during the measurement of this experimentation, that you must have to suggest some of the precautions. I can tell you that you have to make the connections by making the digital testing kit off. In off condition you have to make all the connection, otherwise there is a possibility of burning of the kit or the certain ICs. So these are the precautions, like when you are performing the experimentation, the two connecting wires must not be interconnected. That will be also be a basic cause to burn the particular IC. Also, you prior to go to the testing over the electronic testing kit, you have to check the IC with the IC tester, and by ensuring from there you have to go here for the connection. So because sometimes such kind of ICs are already not working condition, so you have to ensure first, then after you have to make all the connection. So these are all the process adopted to perform any of the experiment in digital electronics laboratory. And in similar fashion, during every experimentation, we have to follow all this procedure, and by doing the experiment, we have to write all the experimentation in similar fashion. Thank you.